Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If x plus 1 by x is 3, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is what? So let's solve this puzzle. And if you want to solve it by yourself, you can pause the video here. And if you check the solution, so let's solve it. So if x plus 1 by x is 3, so we are going to use identity, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times x plus 1 by x. You have to learn this identity to solve this type of problem within 10 seconds in your mind as well, if you know this. So the value of x plus 1 by x, we have 3. So 3 cube minus 3 times 3. 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. 3 cube is 27 minus 9, which is equals to 18. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math problem, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much.